I'm about to tell you something that will probably piss off every financial advisor watching this video. If I lost everything tomorrow, my entire portfolio gone, and had to rebuild my wealth from scratch in 2026, I wouldn't buy 10 ETFs. I wouldn't buy 20 stocks. I wouldn't even diversify across 7 different sectors like they teach you in business school. I'd put every single dollar into just 3 ETFs. And here's the crazy part. These 3 simple investments have quietly created more millionaires in the last 5 years than 90% of the complex portfolio strategies out there. But almost nobody's talking about this approach because, well, it's too simple. And simple doesn't sell $5,000 financial planning courses. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 3 ETFs these are, why they work, and the exact psychological trap that keeps most investors from ever buying them. Before we go any further, I want to ask you something personal. Are you subscribed to Growthpedia yet? Because right now, we're building something special. We're creating a tribe of 100,000 wealth builders who refuse to stay broke, who refuse to be financially average, and we're doing it this month. If you want to be part of this movement, if you want to surround yourself with people who are actually serious about money, subscribe right now. This is your community. Let's build it together. Now, let's get started. Let me ask you something, and be honest with yourself. Have you ever spent hours researching stocks, reading analyst reports, watching financial YouTube videos, only to end up more confused than when you started? You've got 47 tabs open on your browser, 3 different opinions from 3 different experts, and you still don't know what to buy? Yeah, I've been there. We've all been there. Here's what I learned after 15 years of doing this. Complexity is the enemy of wealth. The investors who actually get rich, they keep it stupid simple. So let's talk about ETF number 1, VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Now I know what you're thinking. VTI, that's boring, that's basic. Everyone knows about VTI, and you're right. But here's the psychological trap most people fall into. We know what works, but we don't do what works. Why? Because our brains are hardwired to crave excitement, complexity, and the feeling of being smarter than everyone else. VTI doesn't give you that dopamine hit. It just quietly makes you rich over time. Check this out. VTI owns over 3,500 stocks. That means when you buy 1 share of VTI, you own a piece of almost every publicly traded company in America. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Tesla, but also mid-cap and small-cap companies that could be the next Amazon. As of February 2026, VTI has delivered an average annual return of over 14% in the past 5 years. Let me put that in perspective for you. If you invested just $500 a month into VTI starting 5 years ago, you'd have over $42,000 today. Not from day trading, not from picking the next meme stock, just from buying, holding, and staying consistent. And here's the kicker. The expense ratio is only 0.03%. That means for every $10,000 you invest, you're paying just $3 in fees per year. Traditional financial advisors charge 1% to 2%. That's up to $200 for the same $10,000. Over 30 years, that difference could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, so VTI is your foundation. It's your bedrock. But here's where it gets interesting. What if I told you there's a way to potentially accelerate your returns without gambling on individual stocks or crypto? The name of our second ETF is QQQ, the Invesco NASDAQ 100 ETF. Now, some of you are already saying, wait, isn't tech risky right now? Shouldn't I be scared of another tech bubble? Great question. And here's my answer. The best time to be scared of tech was when everyone was euphoric about it. But in 2026, we're seeing something different. We're seeing a rotation. Money is moving, and the smart money isn't running away from tech. It's getting more selective within tech. QQQ doesn't just give you exposure to big tech. It gives you exposure to the 100 most innovative, profitable, non-financial companies in America. We're talking about the companies building the future: AI, cloud computing, digital transformation, biotech innovation. Here's the reality. Over the last 5 years, QQQ has returned over 103%. That means $10,000 turned into over $20,000. And yes, there were scary moments. There were pullbacks. There were moments when CNBC was screaming about crashes. But the investors who stayed the course, they doubled their money. Now, I'm not saying go all in on QQQ. That's not the strategy, but here's what I am saying. If VTI is your foundation, QQQ is your growth accelerator. I'd allocate about 30% to 40% of my portfolio to QQQ because here's the truth. Every decade is driven by a few key industries. In the 2000s, it was internet companies. In the 2000s, it was mobile and cloud. In the 2020s, it's AI, automation, and digital infrastructure. And QQQ puts you right in the middle of that revolution. All right, now here's where we shift gears because growth is amazing. But you know what's even better? Getting paid while you wait for growth. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, check your brokerage account, and there's money sitting there. Money you didn't work for. Money that just showed up. That's the power of dividends, and that's why ETF number 3 is non-negotiable. The third ETF is SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. Now, full disclosure, SCHD has been on fire in 2026. It's up 15% year to date, but I'm not recommending it because of short-term performance. I'm recommending it because of what it represents. Financial freedom isn't just about how much money you have, it's about how safe you feel. And nothing makes you feel safer than passive income hitting your account every single quarter. SCHD focuses on high-quality dividend-paying companies. We're talking about companies that have consistently increased their dividends for at least 10 consecutive years. These are businesses with strong balance sheets, proven management, and sustainable business models. The current dividend yield on SCHD, over 3.5%. That means if you have $100,000 invested in SCHD, you're collecting over $3,500 in passive income every year. And here's the beautiful part. That income grows over time. But here's what most people miss about SCHD. It's not just about the dividends. SCHD has also delivered strong capital appreciation. Over the past decade, it's averaged double-digit returns while paying you income. That's the dream combination, growth plus income. And according to recent data from Morningstar, 2026 might actually be the year of dividend stocks. We're seeing a major rotation from high-flying growth stocks into quality dividend payers. Why? Because investors are getting smarter. They're realizing that real wealth is built with companies that share their profits with shareholders. Okay, so let's bring this all together. Here's exactly how I'd structure this 3 ETF portfolio if I was starting from zero today. 50% VTI, this is your foundation, your stability, your sleep well at night money. 30% QQQ, this is your growth engine, your upside, your participation in the future of innovation. 20% SCHD, this is your income stream, your cash flow, your psychological safety net. Now, here's the most important part, and this is where most people screw up. The secret to wealth isn't picking the perfect investments. It's having the discipline to stick with good investments when they're not sexy anymore. There will be months where VTI feels boring. There will be quarters where QQQ drops 15% and you'll panic. There will be moments where SCHD underperforms some hot new trend and you'll be tempted to chase shiny objects. Don't! The investors who get rich are the ones who understand this simple truth. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every single time. These 3 ETFs give you everything you need. Diversification, growth potential, income generation, and low fees. Everything else? It's just noise. So here's my challenge to you. If you've been sitting on the sidelines, overcomplicating your investment strategy, or paralyzed by analysis paralysis, it's time to simplify. Pick these 3 ETFs, set up automatic investments, and then do the hardest thing of all, walk away. Let time and compound interest do the heavy lifting. Because here's the truth nobody wants to admit. The best investors aren't the smartest ones. They're the most patient ones. If you found value in this video, smash that like button. Subscribe if you want more real, no BS financial content. Drop a comment and let me know. Are you already investing in any of these 3 ETFs? And if not, what's holding you back? Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time? Right now. 2026 is your year. Let's build wealth together. I'll see you in the next one. Next.